Good morning, student. Today we will start the history class 9, and just those who are the student of class 9 open the book and see the book. The topic is Harappan civilization. Harappan civilization. Other name of the Harappan civilization is Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization. Now we have to understand about the Indus Valley civilization. Why it is known as the Indus Valley civilization? Because this civilization has developed on the bank of river Indus. That is why it is known as the Indus Valley civilization. Now we will discuss about the civilization. Civilization means an advanced stage of human cultural development. Civilization means an advanced stage of human cultural development. It means when the people were not highly developed, they were not civilized, then they were not known as the civilized person. So it means earlier during the Stone Age, people lived nomadic life. They moved from one place to another place in search of food. But when they learned something by the help of the observation, they started to settle in a particular place. So first in India, just they settle on the bank of river Indus. That is why it is known as the Indus Valley civilization. Now third name is also of the Indus Valley civilization, that is known as the Bronze Age civilization. Bronze Age civilization. Now we will discuss about why it is known as the Bronze Age civilization, because in this period people started to make their tools and the weapons of the bronze, and bronze was a metal. Bronze was a metal which was the mixture of copper plus tin. It was harder than the copper and tin, and also it was useful for the agriculture purpose. So Harappan people used the bronze metal for making their tools and the weapons. That is why it is known as the Bronze Age civilization. Now we will discuss about the duration of the Harappan civilization. According to Morning Star books, Harappan civilization has discussed between 4000 BC to 3000 BC. But according to Dr. Mackey, modern historians, it has believed that Harappan civilization has developed between 2500 BC to 1500 BC. It is known as the appropriate date of the flourish of the Harappan civilization. And modern historians also believed that Harappan civilization duration was 2500 BC to 1500 BC. Now we will discuss about the silent features of the Harappan civilization. Silent features of the Harappan civilization. Point number 1, silent features of the Harappan civilization. FATU, silent features of the Harappan civilization. Number 1, evolution of the cities. Number 1, evolution of cities. During the Harappan civilization, city has developed, and city was divided into two parts. Number 1, upper town, and number 2, lower town. Upper town, number 2, lower town. Upper town, it was little more developed, and it was only meant for the king and their family. King and their families. Lower town was for the businessmen or the traders. Businessmen, trader, it means middle classes people used to live in the lower town, and upper town only king and their family and their supporters used to live. Now, other name of the upper town was the citadel. Other name of the upper town was citadel. Upper town has available some other things like granary, granaries plus dockyard. Granary was a type of the godown in which the people used to store the grain, and dockyard was a place from where ship used to arrive or departure. During the Harappan civilization, people used two types of the trades. Number one, just they use the road transports, and two types of the transport that just they use. Number one, road transport, and number two, they used water transport. For water transport, it was very available dockyard because they traded with the Mesopotamia, they traded with the Egypt, and by the help of the water transport, just they exported the goods and imported the goods. That is why dockyard and granaries made by the help of the king in the upper town, and all the dockyards and the granaries were made in upper towns or the citadels. Now, even also after the excavation, many like Lothal, Kalibangan, Dholavira, these are the sites. After the excavation, there are many granaries and dockyards found there.